Right, here we go. Yeah, GoPros are allowed here, so anyone who's watching coming here, don't be worried about it. Here's the launch, lap bar with the vest. So smooth. Woo! 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 Airtime. Into the brake run. Oh wow.
Oh, that's brilliant.
Awesome. Yeah, so smooth. Oh my god. That was awesome, was that? Really smooth, quite comfortable chairs. It's a bit tight on my knees at the front here though. Oh yeah. Airtime. Oh, it's so good. Oh. Oh, yeah. That's it. Very short. Gotta say, I've got to say this right now. This is the best Vekoma coaster I've ever been on. Until we go on the Let coaster. That was amazing, so good. Very short and sweet. Yeah, 3-put on this is amazing. Here we go again. A bit more leg room this time. Woo! Oh wow! Oh, corkscrew! Woo! Oh, it's intense on the back. Another corkscrew. Woo! Oh, it's beautiful. Drake and Manor could do with something like this. There we go. It's finished. Very short layout. Great airtime. Really smooth. Very forceful on the back. Yeah, 3-puts are amazing. It's like I said, it's a lap bar, but it's got like the vest on it. Amazing.